So guys, this is the latest development. This is Kitengela. This is an estate with 10 houses, 5 on each side. Mnazona 5 on that side, 5 on this other side. And as you can see, it is fully developed. There's a main gate there. Ibarabara itakwa cabro works, just like they've done inside. The houses have 2 different colors. You can see this one has a shade of gray and maroon. This one has a very nice shade of brown. So as you can see, there's space on both sides. Hapo wanaweka nyasi. Alafu there's a full compound, and then hapo wanaweka nyasi now, what we've seen on the other side. So that is the house. I want us to go in and see. You have a little floodlight here. Ndio kaza kwa zimeshika uweze kuona pale naenda. So let's see the house. Look at that, guys. Hey, nyumba imeenda shule. I like the finishing. Look at the